5 home remedies for shoulder pain. Shoulder pain may occur in any of the many muscles, ligament or tendon in and around your shoulder. Once your shoulder starts hurting, it can be hard to concentrate on anything else. People of all ages can experience shoulder pain. However, people who use laptop, tablets and smartphones for extended period of time are more prone to this problem. A number of the factors and conditions can contribute to the shoulder pain. The most prevalent is the injury to the soft tissue, including the muscles, tendons and ligament within the shoulder. This should be due to the repetitive use or overuse injury. Sometimes the pain is due to some kind of injury to the neck or bicep. Other causes of the shoulder pain include the arthritis, bursitis, tendinitis and bone spur, torn cartilage and the broken shoulder pain, frozen shoulder and the spinal cord injury. You can also treat the minor shoulder pain at home. However, it is advisable to consult a doctor if the symptoms cease to be worsening. Number 1 is cold compress. Cold compress is highly beneficial in alleviating the shoulder pain, and the cold temperature helps to numb the area, which in turn reduces the inflammation and pain. Put some ice cubes in the plastic bag and wrap the bag in a thin towel. Place it on the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this few times daily for a few days. You can also soak a towel in the cold water and apply it on shoulder. Number 2 is hot compress. Just like cold compresses, hot compresses also treat the shoulder pain, inflammation and swelling. It is the best you use the hot compress after 48 hours of the injury. Hot compress also used to relieve the pain of the stressed out muscles. Fill a hot water bag with the hot water and apply it on the aching shoulder for 15 to 20 minutes and then lie down comfortably. Repeat a few times daily until you get complete relief. Number 3 is compression. Compression means putting even pressure on the painful area to help to reduce the swelling. A compression wraps will give ample support to your shoulder, which make feel you comfortable. You can also compress the affected area with an elastic bandage or a warm wrap, which will you easily buy from a market. Wrap the affected area for a few times or until the pain or swellings are gone. Also keep your shower elevated with the help of the pillows to promote the healing. Avoid wrapping it too much tightly, which can lead to the poor circulation and worsen the condition. Number 4 is Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt bath made up of magnesium sulfate can help to reduce the shoulder pain. It helps to improve the blood circulation and relaxes the stressed shoulder muscle. It also helps to relieve the stress from the entire body. Fill your bathtub with the warm or tolerably hot water. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt and stir thoroughly. Soak in this water with 2 shoulder and submerge for 20 to 25 minutes. Do this up to 3 times a week. Number 5 is massage. Massage is another good way to reduce the shoulder pain. A gentle massage will help your shoulder muscles to release stress and tension. In addition, it will improve blood circulation and reduce the swelling and stiffness. Get the massage done by someone who can do a good massage to your shoulder. For massaging, you can use olive, coconut, sesame or mustard oil. Warm the oil slightly and apply it on your shoulder. Gently squeeze the shoulder muscles and apply pressure as well as to relieve the pain and encourage blood flow. Massage for about 10 minutes and then put a warm towel on the affected area for the best results. Do massage therapy a few times daily until the pain subsides.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.